Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification so you'll be notified whenever I make a new video. Oh my god, guys, it's only been like a couple days, but I feel like it's been forever since I've talked to you. So, recently, kbeauty has been coming out with a lot of cute stuff, especially Etude house. For the year of the pig, I think last month they had a piglet collection that I wasn't able to pick up. But when I was on Treadmoon, I saw that they were collaborating with Kit Kat, and that was super exciting to me. So I rushed out to Etude house and I got myself this set. This is called the Play Color Mini Kit, and it's collaboration with Kit Kat. I think this is so cute. So I couldn't wait when I saw not swatches. When I saw the pictures on Treadmoon, I knew I had to have it. So here it is. And I'm gonna do a little unboxing for you. It says it includes the palette, a couch, and some actual Kit Kats. So let's open this bad boy up. Okay, and yeah, so this is what it looks like. It's called the Play Color Mini Kit. And then inside this box, you get, is this really Kit Kat? You get actual Kit Kats. A whole box of actual Kit Kats, which is really cool. Wait, let me see, is this a palette or is it the Kit Kats? No, you get 3 little Kit Kats. Super cute. Oh my god. And also you get this really cute little makeup pouch. It says Kit Kat. Super cute. I want to open this up and see how it is. Like the quality of it. Oh, it's really nice. It's like a velvety, super nice feeling. Inside there's nothing, but I think this is a really cool pouch if you ever wanted to like stick an eyeliner in there or some like a lip gloss and on the go. It's so nice. Like it feels so it feels like, you know, the Anastasia Beverly Hills palettes, that kind of like velvety material that's made of. That's what this is made of. So this one, I'm definitely going to use it as like a makeup pouch or just to carry an eyeliner or lip gloss because it feels so sensual. It's so nice. I love this one actually. And for the piece de la resistance, the Kit Kat palette. Oh wow, it's really small. Look at it compared to my hand. It's super compact. Well, I mean, I think it's kind of refreshing because I'm kind of tired of those big tabletop palettes that aren't good for traveling. So this one, oh my god, it looks like a mini Kit Kat. Can you see that? It is so beautiful. I love it. So I'm just gonna open this one up and show you what it looks like. You get 6 colors in there, and they're all pretty neutral shades. Let me see if I can get... They're all pretty neutral shades actually. You get this red, this like brick red. Oh, this brick red, and this one is a gold. 2 brown shades, and I think these lighter shades are for like maybe crease colors if you're lighter, or for me I can use it as a brow bone highlight. So they smell like makeup. They don't smell like chocolate, which is kind of disappointing. I think I'm too used to the whole Too Faced literal take on makeup that if it's like a pineapple palette, it's gonna smell like pineapple. But this one has, actually no, it does have a sweet smell. I don't know if it's because it was in the same packaging as the chocolate, but to me it does have a slight sweet scent. It's not overpowering, but it does smell kind of sweet. I don't know if that's the... No, it's definitely coming from the eyeshadows. That's nice. It's cool. I like it. So let's get into the swatches. Let me see this first color, this matte red. Let me see. Oh, that's pretty nice, especially on my skin tone. Sometimes I have a hard time with like Korean eyeshadows getting to show up. That's really a beautiful red. I love that. This in my hand is just a little bit of primer, so don't worry about that. Let me try to swatch the second shade. This is like a gold. Oh, that's really nice. That is really nice. Ooh. Let me see these next 2 shades. Oh, where can I put this? I'm the worst swatcher in the world. I'm sorry. So these are the 2 brown shades. They're a little light for my skin tone, but I think if I blend them out, they shouldn't be too bad. Let me see. And then the last two are these kind of like really light cream and light brown shades. Okay, so overall I think this has good pigmentation, especially for those of us with darker skin tones, because I can definitely see them on my skin. And they do swatch okay. They're not the best eyeshadow swatches ever, but you know, they're not bad. They're passable, especially since this whole set only cost me 20 bucks. So for what I'm paid for, I think this is pretty good pigmentation. But let me see how they perform with a brush. I'm gonna take this new blending brush that I got from, this is an Etude brush. Just got this from some random store. I don't know where I got it actually. And I'm going to just go in to, oh, there's another. I'm just gonna go into this red shade that's been calling my name. I think it's super cute. It does come with a mirror too. I forgot to mention that. I'm gonna go into this red shade and just put this all along my crease and see how this shows up. Oh wow. Can you see that? It's really pigmented. Usually with the Etude House palettes, the shades can be really, I mean, the single shadows are usually awesome, but the palettes can be really hit or miss. But the pigmentation on this is insane. Like, look at that. Insane pigmentation. Wow. I'm really impressed with that. I think I'm going to take this along my lower lash line too. Down here. Oh, that is beautiful. Can you see that? Like, I didn't even have to dip in twice. Like, with one dip, it's already really opaque. Wow. Wow, man. This is a really pigmented palette. Let me see if I can go into the other eye. Oh, wow. Wow. The only thing on my eyelid is just a little bit of primer. I don't wet the brush, nothing. It's on a dry brush. And it is just, wow. Can you see that? The pigmentation is insane. Let me see if I can find, where's my other brush? Oh, can I find it? That's okay, I'm just gonna use the same brush, it doesn't matter. So I'm using that same brush. I'm just gonna go into this golden shade right here and just sweep that onto my lid. It's very nice. This one, it's not as pigmented as the red, so I kind of have to dip in a couple more times. But it's still showing up pretty nicely. This one is more like a sparkle. Like, I feel like it's more like glitter than color. But it is going on very nicely. I really love it. This is like so beautiful. Wow. Wow. I think this look is fine like this. I can go out just with this gold and this red look. Wow. I can even, you know what? I'm going to even go into this shade and kind of use it to like intensify my highlight. Oh, do you see that? It's beautiful as a highlight as well. Wow. This palette is only about 20 bucks. And what I really love about it is it's so compact. It's perfect if you're doing your makeup like in the car or while you're traveling. And I think it's pretty sturdy for the price that you pay. This palette is really sturdy. Like, it has very good, I feel like if I drop this, the shadows wouldn't break. It is awesome. I really love this palette. I'm definitely going to be using it for every day, especially for traveling. Last, I still kind of feel like this look isn't finished, so let me just go into one of the lighter shades and use it as a brow bone highlight. Oh, bam. Whoa. Look at my eye look. It's so simple. It's so perfect for every day. If you're looking for something that's super cute, inexpensive, and also just like easy to travel with, I definitely recommend this palette. I don't know where you can get it in the US. I'm sure that maybe YesStyle will have it, or maybe you can order from the Etude House American website. But I definitely recommend this for everyone to pick this one up. It's just an awesome palette and it's so cute. I mean, it's a must-have. I mean, you probably have colors like this in your collection, but if you can get your hands on it, I definitely do recommend it. Thank you guys so much for watching. It's been awesome, you know, like spending time with you guys and just sharing my thoughts on makeup. So please don't forget to hit the notifications bell and to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.